Hi, Connor. This is Lane. I'm going to give you verbal feedback this week because I sliced part of my finger off. Typing is really hard for me right now. I'm looking at your lesson plan for Alex, and I think your objectives are right on. The writing definitely is something you should be working on with him. I think that's a good goal. Using a fortnight passage is a good idea. I assume you got some from News ELA. I know there was a bunch of them on there. And I think whiteboards and I think the trick for Alex is going to be keeping him really active. Actually keeping him engaged. She is really active. So however you can keep him just kind of focused and on target. Another thing I might do is I might incorporate some breaks, maybe just kind of like a little walking break after each one of these, just to help him kind of focus back together. Another idea is maybe have some kind of widgets or something that he can kind of play with. There's something just to, as he's working. I don't have any in my office, but Audrey might, so you might want to check in with her. Partner reading is a good idea. Maybe you read a little to him, he reads a little to you, and I would definitely chunk it up. I see you're doing that in that next the guided reading of a new text. I think that's a really good idea. I would kind of pre-mark some stopping points. Stop, turn and talk. What was this about? Or like a 5-finger summary or something just to kind of chunk that up. I'm curious about your writing. That doesn't give me a whole lot of information. And I'm actually wondering if you want to start small with him than a whole big writing assignment. I know that Eric was doing something really cool with his student Dominic, where he was having him write. They had like a deck of cards, and he'd show him a picture. So he pulled something off his computer, and they had to write however many descriptive words about that picture. Or you can even extend it to how many sentences, like, show a picture of Fortnite or something and say, turn over a card, and he has to write 6 words or 6 descriptive words or 6 sentences or something. So I think engagement might be the key for you tomorrow, and actually to hook him. So that was just an idea that I had. So good luck. I'll see you tomorrow.